Ranger's getting all the barrels loaded up and they're fixing to head out. They're loaded up and they're ready. They'll drive around through here, see if they can't find more garbage. Solid axle problems. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's got solid axles. So quick update on the Ranger truck is all the electronics is still all factory. Still just a factory Atlas 110. But I did get the headlights, lenses put in, and my wing window from last time, door handles, and taillight lenses. So I haven't weathered the taillight lenses yet. I just put the taillight lenses in this morning. We might be stuck. I don't think we're stuck. Yep. No, oh, wait, no. I got it. Only to crash into the rock. Trying to think what else I've done. Oh, the headlights and taillights do work. I'll fire those up here in just a little bit. I don't have them hooked up to a channel. So, but it's been pulling the trailer with the heavy D110 on it. Really nice. Oh, man down. Over and get them. I'm sure they lost the barrels and everything. Oh no. Oh no, he's down, face down. Oh, poor guy. Poor guy. Oh, goodness gracious. There we go. So the headlights are on. I don't know if you can see the tail lights are on, but they're definitely on. Sorry about that being out of frame. Then my FMS is over here squawking at me because the everything's still on, because all I did is just a hot swap. So it's beeping at me. Let me get these Rangers in here and let's get these radios squared up. Let's get the D110 mounted back to the trailer and let's go on down to another little spot. We don't want to play in the water too long.